Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the last trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Manappuram Finance because Bain Capital deal announced to issue share worth 4,385 crores at 236 rupees per share to the Bain cap on preferential basis. The allotment will be done via warrants and equity shares, and allotment of equity shares and warrant is in the same proportion of 9.29 crore. Agreement is done between the company promoter and Bain Capital. Bain will be acquiring controlling stake and be classified as promoters. An investor and existing promoter can nominate two directors each till they respectively hold 10% and can nominate one director if holding is 5% or more but less than 10%. The next stock is IT stocks because Accenture announced their fiscal year 25 quarter 2 result. New booking is reported at $20.9 billion, down by 3% in US dollars and flat in local currency. Generative AI new booking is reported at $1.4 billion, revenue at $16.7 billion, up by 5% in US dollars, and operating margins are reported at 13.5%. Also, Accenture released their guidance for fiscal year 25, narrows full year revenue growth to 5% to 7% in local currency, continue to expect foreign exchange impact of approximately negative 0.5%. Also, the updates operating margin to 15.6% to 15.7%, and expansion of 10 to 20 basis points over adjusted operating margins. The next stock which you need to look at is defense sector because DSC clears capital acquisition proposal worth over 54,000 crores to enhance defense capabilities, procurement of 1,350 HP engines, 4090 tanks, Varun Astra torpedoes, and airborne early warnings and control aircraft system to get the nod. Guidelines approved to reduce timeline in the capital acquisition process. The next stock is Hindalco because company will be investing 45,000 crores across its aluminium, copper and specialty alumina business in the future. The focus areas will be EV mobility, renewable energy and semiconductors. The next stock is Bajaj Finance because Bajaj Finance elevates Rajiv Jain to the post of vice chairman for 3 years effective from 1st of April 2025. Bajaj Finance appoint Anup Kumar Saha as a MD for 3 years, and he is currently holding the post of Deputy MD. The next stock is Hero MotoCorp because company diversifies into electric three-wheeler category. Board approved strategic investment of up to 525 crores in Euler Motors for 32.5% stake. Acquisition expected to be completed by 30th of April 2025, and board approving setting up of a company for CSR, which is corporate social responsibility initiatives. The next stock is Glenmark Pharma because company gets US FDA ANDA approval for Allotment hydrochloride ophthalmic solution. Basically, it is used for treat itching of eye caused by allergic conjunctivitis, which is known as pink eye. The next stock is Piramal Pharma because its arm, Bripo Biopharma and Piramal Critical Care gets market authorization for Neoatric from UK MHRA. MHRA is basically Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. Neotricon is an age-appropriate, ready-to-use sterile solution for infusion of dopamine hydrochloride. The next stock which you need to look at is Hindustan Unilever because company is going to acquire 14.3% stake in Leucoplasty Cycle. The next stock is TBO Tech because there is a block deal worth 400 crores launch. Augusta TBO Singapore PT Limited and TBO Korea Holding Limited offer to sell up to 3.1% stake. Offer for price set as 1,180 rupees, discount of 7% from the current market price. The next stock which you need to look at is Happiest Mind because Ashok Soota redesigned as a chairman and chief mentor of the company with respect from 19th of March. Currently, Ashok Soota was serving as the company's as a executive chairman. Joseph Vinod is redesigned as company chairman and CEO of the company with respect from 19th of March. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.